Hey, boys and girls, happy Friday! I hope everyone has had a great week and is excited for the weekend. I hope you guys have something fun planned or maybe just some relaxing time planned. So, we're going to start off today by doing our strengthening of our brains by going over our rec and rec again by counting the say 10 way. So remember, just like we talked about yesterday, we count normally until we get to 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we continue counting on the say 10 way. So we would say 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3. Can you help me? 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. We made it to 10, 10. Good job. All right, I'm going to say a number and we're going to count up to that number. Ready? 10, 9. Here we go. So we know we moved 10 over. We don't even have to count. When we use a rec and rec, we know that each one of these bars has 10 beads on them. So when it's 10, 9, I know right away I moved 10, right? And then I continue to count it on. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9. And I have one more left, don't I? All right, now let's do 10, 3. Ready? 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3. Awesome job. Let's do 10, 5. Ready? 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5. Great job, boys and girls. So again, that's called a rec and rec. You could actually make one at home if you had some beads and string. They're really fun to play with too. All right, today we're going to learn about all the ways to make combinations of 8. So what I need you to get out is a dry erase board and your number bond and a dry erase marker. If you don't have a dry erase board, you could use the back side of your dry erase pocket, okay? So we are going to draw 8 crackers. You get to decide if your crackers are going to be circles or squares. Miss Wallace is going to make her squares. So I'm going to draw 8 crackers. Now when we're drawing for math purposes, they don't need to be perfect. All right, I have 8. Make sure, go ahead and recount on your board and make sure you have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and using our crackers, we're going to tell a little story today. Okay, are you ready? I had 8 crackers. I ate 3 of them. Okay, now to show I ate 3 of them, I'm going to count 3. 1, 2, 3. And after that, I'm going to draw a line separating the 2 groups. So I have a line after the 3 I ate. How many crackers do I have left? Let's count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now using that information, I can fill out my number bond. How many crackers did we start with? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We started with 8, so we're going to write 8 in the hole. How many did I eat? I ate 3 of them, so that's a part. 3 is going to go in a part. And now I want to know how many are left. Let's count to see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. Great job. So now I know 8 is the same as 3 and 5. That's a way I could break those up. So I can write that sentence. 8, you know what, I'm going to write it on the back today. Make it a little bit easier to see. 8 is the same as 3 and 5. This is how I would write it as a number sentence. All right, so now you're going to erase your number bond. We're going to go back to the crackers. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to erase a little line I made. And we're going to tell a new story with our crackers. I have 8 crackers. I ate 4 of them. So I'm going to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to draw a line in between them. All right, we got to fill up the number bond. How many crackers did we have? Very good. We had 8. How many did I eat? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know in my part, I'm going to write the number 4. How many do I have in my other part? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 in the other part. So now we know 8 is the same as 4 and 4. Look at that. I'm going to get 8 crackers, and maybe I'm sharing them with a friend, and my friend's going to get the same number. They're going to get 8. 4 and 4 is actually a double of 8. When we add them together, it gives us 8. So we can write that number sentence on our board. 8 is the same as 4 and 4. All right, we got to divide up our crackers again. We have, I'm going to take my line and I'm going to erase it. So we have 8 crackers. This time I ate 5 crackers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I draw my line. Okay, now we have to fill out our number bond. How many crackers are there? Very good, there's 8. We write the number 8 in the hole. How many crackers did we eat? Who remembers? Good, from the story I said I ate 5. And now we need to know how many are left. 3 are left. Great job. All right, so this is what your number bond should look like. And then we can write it on the back, and it's going to say 8 is the same as 5 and 3. Oh, look at this, I just noticed. Up here, I said I ate 3 crackers and we had 5 left. And down here I said I ate 5 crackers and we had 3 left. So it's the same combination, but the parts are flip-flopped around. That's really interesting. All right, so we are going to now do a different combination. I want you to erase your dry erase mat. And we have our 8 crackers. Here they are. This time we're going to eat 2 of them. So you can draw a line, count out 2, and then draw a line just like this. That was really easy, wasn't it? All right, we have to fill out our number bond. How many crackers did we start with? We started with 8. How many did we eat? 1, 2. We ate 2. Now we need to know how many are left. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is left. So your number bond will look like this. 8 is in the hole, 2 is in the part, and 6 is in the part. Now on the back side, ooh, let's look. It's starting to be a pattern. Does anyone know what I'm going to write? I'm going to start out with my whole. What was my whole number? Good, it was 8. And then I draw same as, or the equal sign. And our parts were 2 and 6. So 8 is the same as 2 and 6. Awesome. All right, we have 2 more to go, and then we'll be all finished. So go ahead and erase your number bond. And we're back at the crackers. We have 8 crackers. This time I'm not very hungry, so guess what? I only eat 1 cracker. Ooh, let's see what our number bond will look like. How many crackers did we start with? We started with 8, so you'll write 8 in the hole. How many did I eat? I only ate 1. How many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7 in the other part. So this is what my number bond would look like. We had 8 crackers altogether. I ate 1 of them, and 7 are left over. So then on the back, we're going to write 8 is the same as 1 and 7. All right, there's one other way that I'm going to show you today, so go ahead and erase your number bond. And we're back at the crackers for the last time. We have 8 crackers. And guess what? I was super duper hungry. I ate all 8 of them. I'm going to draw my line after the last one I ate, like this. Oh my goodness. Help me fill out my number bond. How many crackers did I start with? I started with 8, so we write 8 in the hole. How many did I eat? I ate all of them. How many is all of them? Yeah, it's the same as the whole. It's the number 8. How many is there left to share? None. So we write the number 0. So then on my number bond, this is what it should have. 8 in the whole, and the number 8 in one part, and 0 in another part. And then on the back, I would write, oh, that got erased a little bit. 8 is the same as 0 and 8. Great job, boys and girls. We found all the different combinations of 8. And notice, just like 3 and 5 and 3, we could also flip those. So we could have said, I ate 6 crackers and left 2. Or I ate 7 crackers and left 1. Okay? All right. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys have a good weekend. We'll see you next week. Bye.